Your beliefs create your reality. Time to upgrade them. 8 affirmations for a limitless mindset. Ready? I am limitless. I am limitless. I can break old beliefs. I can break old beliefs. I question negative thoughts. I question negative thoughts. People support my new mindset. People support my new mindset. Every day I get stronger. Every day I get stronger. Today I think bigger. Today I think bigger. I am free. I am free. I write my own story. I write my own story. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.